Hi everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. Today I have a double unboxing for you again. It's the Wolf and Thyme. I have the Wolf and Thyme box for January. And then I have the Luna Luxe box for January. It's a little crushed. So unfortunately I hope nothing is broken in here because it really is crushed good. And this is the Luna Luxe box. So I decided I will do another double unboxing since I got them on the same day. Why not, right? This is January's. And I never remember themes, guys. I like to be totally surprised with that as well. So, we will find out. One second. Open this. Okay. This is what it looks like when I open it. Gold paper and a cute little moon sticker. I even hate to rip that. It's so cute. Yep. Ripped it right in here. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's see our theme. The sparkle of the sun on the water's edge, the warmth of her rays kissing your face, the glow of the moon as it rises above the hills, the bright stars shining with mystery and radiance. These are the wonders of the universe, that we are entwined with every thought and action. Celestial connection is our theme for this month, and we will focus on the guidance of the galaxy, crystal alchemy, and cosmic energy. Ooh, cool. I won't go any further because it contains the spoilers. This is beautiful. Wow. This is like a beautiful watercolor with gold and stuff in it. It really is just amazing. Like, you can see, like, you see all that? That is just really awesome, right? Look at that. Oh my gosh, I left my door open. I apologize, guys. He's watching football with his buddies. So it could get loud. I really thought I closed that door, so that is weird that it opened by itself. Or maybe it was a little animal. My doggy or my kitty. Anyway, very sharp looking watercolors here. This looks like, what I'm taking with this is the night universe sky. This is like the ocean. That's what I'm getting. I don't know what you guys get from that, but that's what I see. That is beautiful. That, a nice frame on the wall. Oh yeah, I see that. Ooh, we have this beautiful gold field, shiny field bag. Ooh, that matches very nicely. Very cool. Ooh, we got some stones in here. We have this guy. I'm going to guess maybe a labradorite. I'm not seeing a lot of flash. But maybe. There we go. Flash. Labradorite. We have, looks like some quartz pieces. That's a nice guy. And yeah, we got 3 more crystals, quartzes. So we have 4 quartzes and a lab. And we have another one of those cute little gold bags. And what's in here? Oh, very pretty. This is really cool. Let me see if I can get the knot out of it. It's a huge knot. But this is the necklace. It's like sun and moon and stars. It looks like there's different colors in the... It does. In the center of the sun, it looks like different rainbow colors. That's really pretty. Everybody with their gold colors. And has like little balls on them. I believe this is a necklace. There we go. Yeah, it's an adjustable necklace. You can do different sizes. Very pretty. A very pretty necklace. We have this beautiful wooden, looks like a big lotus flower or a mandala, whatever they want to call it. It's very pretty. I guess you put your crystals on here. You can use this as a crystal-like grid. And we have selenite. Selenite, I guess, charging plate. I can't tell if it was supposed to have something on it and it's plain. It's hard for me to guys to see where you are, but the lighting and it's terrible, but it looks like there might be clear. It's really hard to make out, like moon phase. It's a terrible moon phase, but because you really cannot see it at all. I'm telling you, it's... All right, and that's the box. Oh, wait. We have an incense stick. So we have another here. We have 2 incense sticks. That's the whole box. Feels like it's missing something. Let me see. Like the main ingredient. All right. Celestial Connection Crystal Grid. Crystal Mandala Grid. Okay, so I'm correct on that. Quartz Crystal Shards. Blue Moonstone Tumbled. And a Selenite Moon Phase Crystal Wand. And then it has your info. First, let me get this straight. Okay. Yeah. That. I do not have blue moonstone. Blue moonstone is a moonstone with a blue flash. This is not blue moonstone. This is a labradorite. So, I'm confused on... This is definitely a lab. And I got crystals, so what am I missing? So the blue moonstone, apparently they didn't go with. They must have switched it to a labradorite. Because the blue moonstone is absolutely freaking amazing. I wish I would have got that. And then it says this selenite, like I said, moon phase grid. You really cannot even see it. It's really bad. Let me see if I can open this. Is it supposed to open? I think there's plastic on here. It's so really that you can't see it. There's plastic on here. Let me show you. It's terrible. I really didn't... I was staring at it to see, like, is there something on there or not? Can't get this plastic off. Let me see. I'm wondering if I take the plastic off, it would get better. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, no, it doesn't get any better. It's really... You can't see it. But they really should have done some silver or black or gold to lift it up, because you can't see it at all. But there's a little crescent here. A quarter here. Maybe on that little angle you can see it a little bit. But it's like really very hard to see. Almost impossible. Alright. Let's read this, because this is really... Like, that's all you got was a crystal grid and the necklace. So I'm really not blown away with this particular box. Alright, Selenite Moon Phase Wand, it says, to help understand the current moods, emotion, and state that gives us guidance as we should give ourselves self-care. They are carved upon the selenite crystal wand to help you connect to the moon's messages and to use celestial tool in transporting yourself through the planes into other realms. Selenite lets you see and hear spiritual guides more clear, activates the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th chakras, and creates a safe channel to receive messages while learning more about your inner wisdom and determined knowledge.
Hi, I just wanted to say hello.
Oh, well, thanks for popping in on my video. It's alright. And then, the mandala wooden crystal grid, carved from wood and energized with ancient geometry of the mandala. Crystal grid is based to create energy portals, aura cleansing, and special purification. Use it with your celestial connection ritual scroll to create a crystal grid. Gold bag the crystals, which was this guy here. Oopsie, I put them in. No, here it is. It's in the right bag. And the gold bag, which we already know. This is not blue moonstone. So, this rare, valuable gem carries a bright blue flash. I wish it did. It illuminates the inner core and makes it truly the element of the wind and stimulates both the third eye, 6th chakra, 7th crown. Teaches you the divine timing of the universe and to be patient with growth when giving life, and it connects you to the power of the moon goddess, feminine, nurturing, and emotional, soothing. Guys, 100%. I keep staring at this. Do you call labradorite moonstone? Because there is blue moonstone with a blue flash. Or am I just nuts? But this is not blue moonstone to me. So let me know if I'm crazy and I'm wrong. Just want to know. And the shards of crystal quartz, which obviously enhances the other stones. Clearing and cleansing the space, amplifies your intentions, your programming, your manifestation. It's a perfect stone to enhance the energy of your selenite and blue moonstone if they work in harmony together. Then we got this gorgeous, my favorite part of the box is the art. This is absolutely stunning. This is the best item in this whole box. And then that's for the grid. And then, of course, your 2 incense sticks for cleansing your crystals. And then the beautiful chain, which is another thing I liked. It says 18 karat gold and 14 karat gold chain. Sparkling in your new 18 karat gold pendant with cubic zirconian diamonds and precious gems is laced. It is laced on a 14 karat gold chain with celestial orbs floating around the chain. That is really, really nice. If that's 14 karat gold, it's really nice. So I guess the money in the chain would be where the money in this box is this month. It would be in this. So let me know, guys, what you think. Out of this particular box, I like the art and the chain the best. Alright, so let's move to the And I don't remember the price of this box. I'll have to look it up. Okay, and this is the more expensive one, the Luna Luxe. So let's hope this one's better than that one. Because that one seemed to be a little bit of a letdown for me. But of course, that's my opinion. You guys might love it. So let me know what you think. It's a must. I need to know. All right. So this one, we have a blue paper and a pretty moon sticker as well. And let's see what this box has. All right. Paper. It's going to be the same theme, I believe. Through the forest trees, the night sky illuminates with a Milky Way and the full moon. You see a falling light and close your eyes to make a wish upon a rare fallen star. This is a manifestation, a push of your energy. Wish into the universe so it can come bring forth your intention. For this month's theme, we will focus on celestial connection and the very realms and beings that give us messages, guidance, and deeper knowledge. We will seek past the stars and go further into wisdom of your zodiac, moon phases, and crystal alchemy and celestial rituals. So I will go over the rest of this at the end. So the theme is the same, but it's different items. So that's a plus. So we got an oracle card. And this is the 7th house, relationships. Card number 45. We'll find more about that. Then we have this beautiful Book of Shadows sheet on the celestial connection. Very pretty. And there might be stuff in here that's needed to do this. It says matches, wish paper, oracle card, card spread mat, crystal moon, and organite pyramid. So this is a spell as well. So that's cool. Ooh, what is this pretty Book of Shadows sheet? We got the moon phases. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The owl, the wolf, the bear. Oh, that's so pretty. And then we got all the moon phases for the year. Very cool. I have a nice spot for this one. Indeed, indeed. Ooh, another beautiful, beautiful watercolor. Oh, look at this one. Look at this. So beautiful. Now this, I see mountains. Shooting star. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Wow. I love it. It is gorgeous. Very, very cool. Liking that a lot. Super, super cool. Ooh, what is this? Oh, yeah. I have different packaging, but I have this too. Flying wish paper. Very nice stuff. You write your intention, you roll it up, and then you light it and let it go. And it's really cool. Flying wish paper. Ooh, we have this. Now this box is definitely truly worth it. Look at this big, gorgeous, organite pyramid. Beautiful, right? That's a nice, wow. Awesome. Then we have this beauty. Ooh. Oh, that was close. Guys, I'm always dropping stuff. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm glad it didn't drop. Look at this. Beautiful agate moon with a druzy Wow. So pretty. Wow. That is beautiful. Nice size, too. This is beautiful. This box is a home run. Oh, it's definitely a home run. I might just start getting this box and nixing the other one. I think this is your money. You get your money's worth in this one for sure. The other one I'm not so sure of. This is Silver Chain, my favorite. And we have this beautiful sun with like a opalite in the middle. To see the rainbows on it. Oh, that's cool. That is nice. And again, you get the adjustable chain so you can do it any length. So now I got silver and gold. Very cool. Very, very cool. I like that. So nice. What is this? Big silver mat. It's a nice big silver mat. Right? Looks like a moon, I guess you can say. Big silver full moon, baby. That's what it looks like to me. Very nice. And we have Star Codes Astro Oracle by Heather Roan Robbins. Nice big deck. $26.99 for this. Tap into the powerful energy of ancient astrological archetypes and the influence relationships between the celestial bodies, and they move through the sky and through your life with the Star Codes Astral Oracle. This bottle, I guess they did good. Is boldly illustrated 56 card deck, delivers messages from the universe and deepens the reader's knowledge of astrological terminology with each draw. Learn the challenges and gifts of each card and choose the action, because no matter what your chart or the cards say, the power's truly within you. So that is the deck. Very cool. And I believe that is everything. And, I'm lying. Always get 2 incense sticks. Now this one, to me, had a lot more nice stuff. All right, let's see what this is about. Doot. Paperwork has 2 sheets. All right, let's see. Star Codes Astro Oracle Deck and Guidebook. 135-page guidebook. Goes over the houses, the zodiac signs, quality, solar activity, supports aspects, challenging aspects, and changing states. Lunar codes, cardinal points. So that is awesome. Then we got this beautiful Organite Crystal Pyramid. High-grade resin, selenite crystals is what's on the bottom. Labradorite chips, copper shavings, copper coils, and Lemurian seed quartz. This is a great way to energy up and use and meditate with it, or help psychic protection, connect to spirit, open your chakras, and create a path of energy as a conductor. So, the selenite acts like the celestial guidance, labradorite protection from psychic attacks. The copper provides a harmonic connection between the physical and astral bodies. And the Lemurian seed conducts, amplifies, and transmits messages of unconditional love and equality from advanced ancient civilizations as an energy grid link from Earth to the stars and other planes. Very cool. Then we have, I'm eating here. I'm so happy that Celestial Circle Matte, either in silver or gold. Thank you, gosh, I got silver. So, in gold or silver, the Celestial Circle Matte has the star path of asteroid streams across its face. It is a circle, so you can channel in the protection energy orb from the universal source. And it is perfect place to do your star code astro spreads. And then it goes into the 2022 lunar calendar. To light a path of the moon, we must know when the phases are in line with our calendar months. So I've created the original piece of artwork to help track the lunar. Each phase is charted with the months and the day of the northern hemisphere and reminds you of the right time to check in with her energy. The artwork is inspired by 4 totem animals: the wolf, the owl, the deer, and the bear. Very cool. Gorgeous. Then I got this gorgeous silver necklace with opal star necklace. It says, this beautiful silver necklace was made of silver alloy and carries upon it a bursting star with genuine precious opal gem in its fiery center. The white precious opal is an element of water and activates all chakras while intensifying your emotions and purifying your aura. It can help you bring angelic energy into your spirit and can support your intuition and hearing your spirit teachers more clearly. It's also a positive ally for cleansing any negative energy out, showing inside your shadow issues so that you can release them and work to have a brighter path ahead. Very cool. I forgot the wish paper. Write down your intentions, push your energy into the paper, create a manifestation, and light it up. It'll float out in the sky and it will disappear. Take your energy to the universe. Celestial Connection Ritual Grimoire page is this baby right here. All the items in the box will help. Obviously, we can do this. Very cool. Star Codes Astro Oracle card and Moon Forest Incense sticks, 2 sticks. And last but not least, this beautiful art. And the big, gorgeous Druzy Agate Geode Moon. It's good for growth, wisdom, inner work, clarity, communication, vision, agates geodes, or a mix of dendritic agate and banded agate and crystal druzy clusters formed from water deposits that evaporated when the stone cooled and create a sparkly crystal layer left behind. This one is the shape of the crescent moon and holds the twinkle of the stars within its geode core. Very cool. Leave your fear behind. Let the light of the universe bring you new wisdom and start fresh with bright perspective. Next month's theme is Fey Wisdom. Ooh, excited. It's that time of year. Spring is coming. I'm just going to give you a quick look at the deck here. Got to see what the deck looks like. Got to see it. Alright, let's see what this deck looks like. Sometimes it's so hard to open them. That's the box. It looks like we have a nice thick book. Yes, we do. Moons, zodiacs, all different cool stuff in here. Thick book. the back of the box. So the card is from the deck. It starts off with Aries. I love it. The Zodiac. Cool. And the cards are numbered. Very cool. These are pretty. I'm loving the decks I'm getting this month. Very different. Useful. They're in retrograde right now. Planets. These are stars, maybe. Vesta. Ooh, that's nice. Sorry. Guys, if you're new to this channel, you can hit like, subscribe, and notification. It helps me get my videos out to you. I believe I'm expecting a new box. Should have got it last month, I thought. But I'm hoping it's on its way. I'm getting rid of some boxes, starting anew. If you guys want any particular box that I don't have and you'd like to see, let me know. Send me a message in the description so I can check it out. Maybe get it on the channel for you guys to see. Because there's so many different people out there with gorgeous, gorgeous boxes. Someone's got to see their talent. So that is the Star Code Astro Oracle. So let me know, guys, what you think of these two boxes. Same company, Luna Luxe, Wolf and Thyme. I'll leave the prices in the description below because I can't recall now, but I know this is the more expensive one. I really liked this box. The other one, didn't do that too much to me. Still being the same thing, which is wow. Let me know, guys, what you think as well. I truly value your opinion. Have a blessed day. Thank you guys for watching.